The Perfiware LG2315 Smart Lock offers a seamless keyless entry solution, perfect for frameless glass doors in various environments like offices and homes. With state-of-the-art fingerprint recognition, it ensures rapid and precise access control, comfortably accommodating up to 100 users. Its innovative drill-free design makes installation straightforward and preserves the integrity of your glass doors while providing advanced security. This lock supports multiple unlocking methods including fingerprint, password, IC card, and remote control, offering users flexibility and convenience. Built from robust stainless steel, the lock is designed for durability and fits numerous door configurations, enhancing both security and user experience. The Perfiware LG2315 also features automatic locking, an always-open mode, and emergency power options, making it a reliable and intelligent choice for modern access needs.